This is an Alberta emergency alert. Town of Banff has issued a 911 service inoperative alert. This alert is in effect for Improvement District Number 9. Due to continued flooding, communications in the Banff area have been affected. This has affected 911 service. 911 service may not function. If you have an emergency, dial 911. If 911 does not operate, go to the following locations: Banff Fire Hall at 201 Beaver Street, Hospital at 305 Lynx Street, or approach Banff Fire Department members patrolling town. If you are in the affected area, listen to local authorities for any updates. Some support services are not available. Take all necessary precautions. In case of emergency, contact fire, police or ambulance directly. Go to www.banff.ca. For details visit www.emergencyalert.alberta.ca or stay tuned to local media.